tussle between Dinesh Karthik and Andre Russell? And is Arjun Tendulkar a new entry into the Mumbai team? Also, Team Rajasthan is set to face a huge setback. And if you want to know it all, then you know the drill. Watch the video till the end and welcome back to another video on Cricket Tracker. My name is Diya Kakar and let's get started. So last year, Andre Russell was not happy with certain calls that were made by the franchise. Although Dinesh Karthik assured that things are sorted between them both, but still everyone was doubtful over it and their fans were also worried about the same. But this time, David Hussey, the mentor for Kolkata franchise this year, has brushed off all these remarks and has told that both of them are pretty close and there is no rift. Rather, there is more of a bromance between them, and this is actually a good sign for the team as these two are the pillars for the Kolkata franchise and no one would want to see any sort of a clash between them both. And later on, David Hussey also praised the leadership skills of Dinesh Karthik. So recently, Arjun Tendulkar has put up an Instagram story stating that rest days are the best, where Trent Boult, James Pattinson and various other Mumbai players are seen chilling, and this has sparked speculation over him joining the Mumbai franchise. Well, actually he is serving as a net bowler to the team and hence he has travelled along with them to UAE. Although Arjun Tendulkar was not part of the IPL 2020 auction, but still Mumbai can pick him up as a replacement if any of their squad members gets injured, and this is going to be a great learning opportunity for Arjun by bowling with the likes of the Bumrahs and the Trent Boults. And we have seen him bowling a lot of times in the nets to the Indian batsmen, and let's see if he can make a mark this time in the practice session with Mumbai or not. With IPL less than a week away to begin, Rajasthan is still not sure over the participation of their star all-rounder Ben Stokes, who had pulled out of his national duties for England and was not part of the limited over series against Pakistan, followed by Australia's tour of England, as currently he is in New Zealand along with his family members in difficult times as his father has been diagnosed with brain cancer. And the head coach of Rajasthan told that there is still no clarity over Ben Stokes' participation in this season of IPL and they are providing full support to him in these difficult times. Well, with so many big names pulling out of IPL, we definitely don't want Ben Stokes to be another one. And we want to see him smashing those sixes and rattle the stumps. Well, there is still no clarity over it and time will tell what will happen next. And yes, that's about it for the video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then please press the like button and comment down your views if you think Ben Stokes is gonna play this year's IPL or not. And also follow and subscribe to Cricket Tracker. Thank you so much.